Samantala, truly world-class ang talento ng mga Pinoy. Isa na dyan ang Filipino milliner o hat maker na nanguna sa paglikha ng iconic hats ng blockbuster musical film na Wicked. Yan ang unang chika ni Linche.
Agaw pansin ang mga bonggang sombrero sa blockbuster musical film na Wicked. Alam niyo bang maipagmamalaki nating isang Pinoy ang nanguna sa paggawa ng mga ito bilang senior milliner o hat maker? Siya si Harvey Santos, tubong Cavite, na gumawa na ng pangalan sa Europa. In fact, dumalaw sa kanyang hat exhibit some years back ang reyna ng United Kingdom, the late Queen Elizabeth II.
That was a very special moment. She has this great command of the room. She's got a very good sense of humor. She even made a joke. I was telling her I used to be a ballet dancer, and she replied, "That must have been a leap."
Malaki ang cast ng Wicked, kaya hindi na mabilang ni Harvey kung ilan ang kanilang ginawang hats. Pero tanda niya ang kilig at saya nang finally makita niya ang mga ito sa giant screen.
The very first time, the entire team was asked to see a private screening before it went out, and it was insane. We were there. We were crying, not just of the story, but sheer proud, because it's like having a baby. It's like, uy, akin yun. Uy, akin yun. Uy, di ba sa'yo yun? We were nudging each other, and it's like, it's so humbling. We feel really, really proud.
Sinamay at buntal ay ilan lamang sa mga local materials natin na ginagamit ni Harvey sa kanyang mga creation sa London. Ang plano niya,
and I still have yet to make the perfect salakot for Ascot.
Ooh, I am so curious. I want to see that in the future, Harvey. Pero ito,
Right? We need to update the salakot, right?
yeah, I want to see that on Hollywood Stars. Like, I